Right now the plan is people smoke out the wasp them, but here we go on. The place kinda filled of trash and dry leaves and them things. They say if we make one miscalculation, the whole place can go up in a smokes. So what we are do, we just put the fire in a something or we can contain it and see if we can find some way to make a lot of smoke in it, because right now it's rough. And right now look like we are fighting a losing battle. We need to find some way to win them Wasp, so that's the next step. So yo, survive round one. Yeah, we survive round one and round Wasp. So as you can see the door well kick off over there, so come my boy Ice champion dog kick off the door and run in. And go run in for the army. Alright, so yo, right now the zinc them down there, so one tear down, we turn carpenter. I'm guessing, or no no. We repair the roof for this old building. Yes, why? Yes, about 13 wasps in there. So we don't know we are challenged. The dog say go and want more fire upon a clock there. So I'm going to go check, but I have to put on protection gear as usual, isn't me? Do I walk to the valley of the shadow of death? I feel no evil. Pretty so one day the dog. In cool. And he shot me under my blood. Tell me, say, oh my God, too close. Alright, you are going? Yeah, but we don't go in none at all. Oh, but yeah. Yo, give me a protection gear, dog.
See what they look like already.
People give me one and put on protection gear. Yo, but they have a protection gear. When she roll my foot, will be fly out of this to blow at this. So this is Superman. Alright, so one day, no. You see that? You see that? Alright. Bumbleclad. Yo, they ain't enough for the dog. Think them a Corellian, so you see them there. You see the dog? Bumbleclad, yo, you see that?
Right in front there, no one's supposed to be right up top.
Whoa, yo, dog. Whoa. Go further. Man, I'm gonna know. Yo, look up there, sir. Yo. I mean, withdrawal. Run. Yo, dog. Look, one up there, sir, my youth. You see it? That one, they big. Alright, yo. Joke offness about that of one. We have to reanalyze and come back strategically. Get back his stick, you know, put some more fire upon it. Yeah. Yeah, man. So now I'm burning it off and joke it off. So we have to go back for it again. You know? So people stay tuned.
Alright, watch out now. Watch out now.
Sure, boy. We're running in the one whole clip in the dog. I'm going to boom and say about that soldier in there. Yo, it's 1,000 to 1. Me have to run out.
I say, I'm going to run out before you kill a wasp.
I'll let gunshot run out.
Pussy
No fire.
Burn out.
No time for your pin.
Burn out.
Oh, I know we left that there next day.
Yeah, man. Want a different weapon.
Different mission.
Watch out. I'm going to name out here, man, until next episode.
Enough.
Plenty.
Right now the plan is people smoke out the wasp them, but here we go on. The place kinda filled of trash and dry leaves and them things. They say if we make one miscalculation, the whole place can go up in a smokes. So what we are do, we just put the fire in a something or we can contain it and see if we can find some way to make a lot of smoke in it, because right now it's rough. And right now look like we are fighting a losing battle. We need to find some way to win them Wasp, so that's the next step. The plan now. So this apatya, we'll put this apatya fully of trash, light it, put your doorway, take that tick there, push it in, make the smoke out them. Ice, top shot, I say him volunteer if he carry in the pot, smoke him and go in them. So, I run out. So, yeah, that we are dealing with next. This is the cash pot. So we are set it up now. So this now, this will act as the base to create fire. You know, pyro being a flammable element, it's gonna start fire. Base, it's gonna cause a fire. Fire. Okay, so we're gonna just. So we start with the base, and now we've got the fire. This is gonna start the fire. Alright. So, woo! Focus hot! Alright, so now I'm gonna get the camera. Ice now. There's the bush, there's the bush, there's the bush. Take the bush. Take the bush. Alright, so the bad man cash pot there. Put the bush there. But it a smoke, it a work though. Alright, so put the smoke. Oh. Oh. No. Things always go according to plan, madam.
Alright, go on. You can go on. Okay. Watch it. See there? You wake them up too early, cuz.
Go on in, just make yourself put them in there.
You come like say alert. Bin Laden say I come to blow. Yeah, man. Do it.
Yeah.
Everything I do wrong right there, so.
Run quick. You're the man.
Everything I do wrong right.
Come on, forward in.
Now I want to go up some more, man.
Your destination.
Put it right up where it's zinc there.
Protective sheet.
Huh?
Take it up.
Yes, man.
No. Alright, here I go.
Good.
One minor miscalculation, so. You know, I always plan to fail.
Yo.
The backup plan is to put it at the door and allow the natural breeze
To bring it inside.
From outside to inside.
That's for real.
That would, you know. So, if you see the breeze are going next way, all you do is just control the flow of the air. You see it just. And put the breeze back inside.
Well, I'll put the pot further now.
So, alright.
That's something when you call it.
So we put it to the back here next. 10 minutes and we put it how it work, you know?
Alright. That's why I fuck up your work.
There's a time in a man's life you have to just get serious. Do or die.
Serious?
For glory or for stinks.
Quick movement.
And I turn you over. You're not sting your suckers. Alright, Bill.
You're going to want some more green leaf panina, so you don't know, so you that. Maybe make a sacrifice and run in and drop it over there. So you don't know, so you know.
Green leaf there.
Green leaf over there. See how some right so dog, drop in. Come back like, they want to step. That's my step out. Draw back. What pass the part the what see? Water when they are Moses' foot on him across. What's the way your foot when they are walking? Yeah, ice, go and go chill them dog, cause I see smoke a cool them down there. Yeah, your eyes just choose some dry bush for the same time. No, choose some more dry bush for the first make it light and you know, you throw the bush the pony. I know say I got turn tomorrow, say you want the sheet, you want a protective sheet. Give dog a protective sheet. Give dog. Well, this dog, whole protective sheet. Ice, you can do this. Really, you can't draw that out. She was one singing in the cloth. You see them?
Yo, you know you sit too much.
Yo, dog, sit like this, Put the two bush bunny. The two bush bunny.
No?
Why you not just put it on this?
You know you see too much crowd.
Put it on this stick.
Not afraid of video. Not afraid of video too. No, sir.
Put them over there.
The one of them run back.
Yeah, man, they rise up now. Yo. Duck iron, duck iron.
They are funny.
I'm gonna be here good. Oh!
Yeah, brother, what I carry on?
I don't know what they do.
Nita, what is it? Because now I get splinter in my hand, you know.
Splinter?
You see him vibe, they were Debbie got catching a fear. Debbie, come grab out this kind of gun away too. Yeah, man, so one discussion.
Yeah, protective sheet, protective sheet.
Yeah.
And I tell them, just get mad, just light it ras. So if you was born down, I say go. I last resort. You don't know, like when you go to war, you can't win the war, just drop a nuke, drop a nuke.